Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve an SS assignment. It's YO19 SS Business Unit 01 PS1 Hotel Event 1.0. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully. We will start the project. In our first step, what is he asking? Start access open the downloaded file name. Access BU01 PS1 Hotel Events. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting your files. I have already opened my file. I will just make this one save as to where I am sorting my file. I have here my folder where I am sorting these files. I will save here. It's now saved. I will enable edit this one. That's our first step. In our second step, what is he asking? Create a new table in design view to store conference room details. So we will go to the insert a new table, create a new table in table design. What is this? Enter confirm conference room ID. We will type this one, conference room ID. The first name. What is the data type? The data type of the field to auto number. We will select here an auto number. And what is the other thing here? Add a description, a unique identifier for the conference room. So we will add this one description here. That's our description column. We have added description. And what is the other thing? Name the second field, room name and third capacity. So we will put room name as second field name and capacity as a third field name. What is he asking? Select the appropriate data type for each. For the room name field, enter the name of the conference room, that description. For room name column, that's a description we have added. And change the field size to 40. We will change the field size to 40. For the capacity, enter the description, the capacity of the room, conference room. So we will change the capacity of the field size. Capacity is added. Change the field size to integer. So we will change here. The value, for example, you may numeric. That's our second step. That's our first step. We will move to our third step. In our third step, what is he asking? Assign the conference room ID as a primary key and save the table as a table conference room. So we will enter this. We'll make this one conference ID as a primary key and save the table as a table conference room and press OK. So our new table is now entered. Switch to the datasheet view and add the following three records. So we will move to the datasheet view and we need to enter the three records: room name, Muka, Musica. We will enter Musica and capacity, in which we have capacity 500. What is the capacity? Our room capacity is 500. We will enter here 500. What is the second entry? Our second entry is El Dorado with the capacity of 100. We will type here 100. And what is the third thing? We have a capacity of Vilio with a capacity of 25. That's our save the table, close the table. We need to close the table. That's our third step. In our fourth step, what is he asking? Create a new table in a design view. So we need to create a new table in a design view. What thing we need to enter? Group ID. First we need to put group ID. Other thing what we need to put? Group name. And what is the third thing we need to enter? Contact first name. What is the third name? Contact last name. That's our contact last name. And then at the end we need to enter the contact number, contact phone. So we will enter contact phone here. What is the other thing? Is set the data type for group ID field to auto number. So we will add this one as a group ID as a auto number. And what is he asking? Accept the default data type for the remaining fields. Set the field type for group name and last name to 40. So we will add group name, field size 40, and contact last name also 40, field size. Set the field size of contact first name to 30. So contact first name field size to 30. What is the other thing? Set the field size of the contact phone to 14. Contact 14, 14. That's our fourth step. In our fifth step, what is he asking? Assign the group ID as a primary key. So we will assign the group ID as a primary key. Select the primary key and save the table as a table groups. We will save the table as a table groups and press OK. So it's now saved as a table group. Define an input mask for the contact phone numbers. Use the mask that shows the phone number as a placeholder and save the symbol in the mask. Close the table. So we will go to the contact phone number. That's our contact phone number. We will go to the input mask. Here we will select the input mask, and what we need to select the first input mask with the it displays like that with the placeholder like dash and select, and with the symbol of the mask like that. Save the symbol in the mask and press next and finish. So it's input mask created applied to contact phone number. And what he is asking, close the table. So we need to now close the table and press okay. Yes, that's our fifth step. In our sixth step, what is he asking? Create a new table in the design view. This table will store the event. So we'll go to the create, and we will select the table design. It's now created. Add the following field in the following order. Event ID. We need to put event ID first. What is the other thing we need to put? Event first name. Then event start. Then event length. And at the end we need to put group ID. We will put group ID here. What we need to do, set the data type for the event ID field to auto number. Event ID field to auto number, we will change here to auto number. What is the other thing? Accept the short text as the data type for event name short text. What is the other thing? Event start to date and time, and event start to date and time. And what is the other thing? Event ID, event length and group ID to number. Event length to number and group ID also to number. That's our things. Change the field size of the event name to 40. So we need to change the event name size to 40. Change the format of event start to short date. So event start to, we will change the format to short date. Here we will select the short date and change the field size of the event length to integer. So we will change the event length to integer. That's integer. Assign the event ID as a primary key. We will assign the event ID as a primary key and save the new table as a table events and close the table. So we will save the table as a new table as a events table and close the table. That's our sixth step. We have total 18 steps in this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.